Number 9, we're just trying to read what this graph is saying. So when we look here, it says the graph shows the average attendance for 2 schools. And if we look across the bottom, this is the years, and this is our average attendance. So it's asking, what does this solution, x equals 14, represent? So when we look at 14, 14 would be the number of years. And then if we follow it off to the side here, this is between 900 and 1,000, so it looks like it's right at that spot. So I would say 950 is what we're looking at, and that would be our average attendance. So the 2 schools never have the same average attendance. That's not correct. They have the same average attendance right here. After 14 years, the schools both have an average attendance of 950. That one seems right to me. I always check the other ones to make sure that I didn't miss something. So the 2 schools always have the same average attendance. That's not true. They would be the same exact line if they had the same average attendance all the time. And then this says after 14 years, the schools both have an average attendance of 700, and nope, 700's way down here. So we're good with B there. Okay, then looking at 10 and 11 here. With 10, it says, which is a solution to the inequality? Select all that apply. So we might have more than one answer here, or maybe none of them are an answer. And you got to be real careful that you plug the first piece in for your x and the back piece in for your y. And you can use your calculator for this. I'll just grab mine here. So we're plugging into here. So my y value for the first one is 67. And I'm just going to list them all out, 74, 49, and 37. And then we're trying to figure out, is it greater than, and for the first one, it's 2 plus 9 times 7, because that's my x. For the next one, it's 2 plus 9 times 8, and then 2 plus 9 times 5, and 2 plus 9 times 4. And then really, if you want, you can just plug that in your calculator. We do 2 plus 9 times 7, which gives me 65. So then the question is 67 greater than 65? And that one's a yes. So which is a solution? This would be a solution because it's true. Okay, the next one, 2 plus 9 times 8. So that gives me 74. So is 74 greater than 74? And the answer there is no. If it had an equal to on it, it would be yes. But B, we're going to leave blank. And then going on to C here, we've got 2 plus 9 times 5. So 47. So is 49 greater than 47? And that one is true. And then 2 plus 9 times 4. So 37 is greater than 38 is what this says. That's not true. So A and C would be your correct choices. Okay, number 11, you don't have to do too much thinking. You just have to know what the inequality pieces are. If it's a dashed line, that would be a greater than or a less than symbol here. So this one's less than, this one's greater than, those would work. Solid line is if we're including it, so it would be the greater than or equal to like this, or the less than or equal to like that. So for the first one here, that one's going to be a dashed line, and this one's going to be a solid line.